To NewsX, Parvesh Verma is likely to be appointed as the Deputy Chief Minister of the National Capital as suspense still looms over the Deputy Chief Minister face. In addition to Rekha Gupta, several other prominent leaders were also in the running post for the top pick of the Delhi's political landscape. These included Parvesh Verma, who defeated the Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal, former Delhi BJP President Vijendra Gupta and Satish Upadhyay, as well as leaders like Pawan Sharma, Ashish Sood and Shikha Rai. All right, Brian, as in fact, what we are picking up is that Parvesh Verma, who has defeated the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal, is likely to be appointed as the Deputy Chief Minister of the National Capital, something that we can see BJP applying in the National Capital like the other states that they have in the recent times appointed as a Chief Minister and then brought in the post of Deputy Chief Minister to pacify all the caste equations of the political landscape in the region. As per se, in Delhi, the consideration to all the communities and the caste equations will be done with even a Jat face being appointed as the Deputy Chief Minister. Brian, over to you.
As per, there is no official confirmation for the Deputy CM post or Parvesh Verma being the Deputy CM. So there is no official confirmation regarding that. But as per the official document that NewsX has, it has said that 6 ministers rather, from different caste sections, from different communities will be taking their oath. You talk about Parvesh Verma, we have the list with us also. It has Parvesh Verma, it has Ashish Sood, it has Manjinder Singh Sirsa, it has Kapil Mishra, and it has Dr. Pankaj Kumar Singh. So these leaders are likely to be a part of, to be the ministers and will be taking oath as 1225 along with the Chief Minister, under the Chief Minister, Rekha Gupta. So these are the names that is coming on. But yes, talking about the Deputy CM post, there's no official confirmation as such. This has been going from sources, but now the letter that has been given to LG as well, that has been given to the LG as well, these six candidates rather, who have won their respective Vidhan Sabha seat, will be taking oath as ministers as well. And now let me show you the visuals also again outside Rekha Gupta's residence. Just in a while now, when we are here, Rekha Gupta might be leaving anytime within 5 minutes for going to Hanuman Mandir and then Yamuna to pay her respects and to pay her tribute as well and to offer prayers as well. Simran.
Well, Brian, as in fact, I can see that you are